YZi Labs backs USD.AI stablecoin yield-bearing. AI-backed play raises big questions. CZ. Stablecoin. YZi Labs. By investing in USD.AI's $62.7 million protocol, YZi Labs is backing a novel financial system that transforms high-demand AI hardware into crypto-native collateral. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. Journalist. Hassan Shittu. About author. Hassan. A cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied. Last updated, August 26, 2025. YZi Labs has announced a strategic investment in USD.AI, a stablecoin protocol designed to bring infrastructure finance, InfraFi, on-chain by providing hardware-backed credit to AI operators. The move indicates YZi Labs' growing commitment to supporting foundational infrastructure that addresses the massive capital needs of the artificial intelligence sector. USD.AI secures $62.7 million TVL as stablecoin protocol targets AI financing gap. USD.AI, built by Permian Labs, is a yield-bearing synthetic dollar protocol that allows infrastructure providers and AI companies to access non-dilutive loans backed by physical compute hardware. According to the announcement, depositors, in turn, will receive a sustainable asset-backed yield. The protocol has already secured backing from top-tier investors, including Framework, Dragonfly, Digital Currency Group, Delphi, and FinTech Collective. Unlike traditional financing, which often hinges on long cash flow projections and lengthy approvals, USD.AI offers loans secured 1:1 by AI hardware. This allows loans to close in under a week, compared to the 60 to 90 days typical of traditional funds. For capital-intensive sectors, that speed could mean the difference between scaling and stagnation. The protocol's adoption curve has been steep. Since June, USD.AI has grown from virtually zero to more than $62.7 million in total value locked, TVL. According to data from DeFi Llama, deposits surged past $10 million by mid-June, climbed steadily into the $30 to $40 million range in July, and accelerated again in August to reach their current all-time high. Borrowing activity, while still modest at $1.25 million, reflects an early phase of adoption, with most users currently utilizing USD.AI as a savings and yield platform. Partnerships have also played a central role in its rise. USD.AI has teamed up with K3 Capital, Concrete, Euler, and Pendle to launch its innovative AutoVaults, which allows depositors to earn optimized yields across DeFi markets. Pendle, in particular, has been a key supporter, recently launching Boost USD and SUSD vaults that integrate with USD.AI's ecosystem and offer enhanced incentives for liquidity providers. On August 14th, USD.AI raised $13 million in series of funding led by Framework Ventures. With $50 million already in deposits during private beta, USD.AI plans a public launch featuring an ICO and a game-based allocation model. YZi Labs, which manages over $10 billion in assets globally and has backed more than 300 projects across 25 countries, said its decision to support USD.AI reflects a belief that new financial primitives are needed to scale AI infrastructure. David Choi, co-founder of USD.AI, framed the project as a lifeline for a new class of builders who have hardware but lack traditional financing channels. Not everyone has a CFO or a Wall Street connection, but they do have machines and a future to build, Choi said. This is a dollar that scales for the outsiders, and we're excited to have YZi Labs support in that mission. The backdrop for this innovation is a rapidly escalating capital crunch in the AI industry. Analysts estimate that over $6.7 trillion will be required for compute infrastructure in the next 5 years. Yet much of that financing remains out of reach for all but the largest firms. Reports of OpenAI's Sam Altman exploring new financing instruments to raise trillions for infrastructure show just how acute the funding gap has become. USD.AI seeks to address the gap by giving smaller players the same financial access, without diluting equity or waiting months for approvals. YZi Labs emerges as force behind institutional push into BTC and BNB ecosystems. YZi Labs, the rebranded investment arm formerly known as Binance Labs, has accelerated its shift toward institutional adoption and ecosystem expansion. Since its relaunch in January, the firm has widened its scope to include artificial intelligence and biotechnology, while reinforcing its commitment to blockchain. Changpeng Zhao, Binance's former CEO, has taken an active role as a mentor to startups within the program, while co-founder Ella Zhang has returned to lead operations. In May, the firm made a major bet on Bitcoin's DeFi ecosystem through an investment in Avalon Labs, a BTC-based platform developing capital markets around BTC collateralized lending, stablecoin USD.AI, and credit services. At the time, Avalon held more than $500 million in total value locked, with over 20,000 BTC under management, making USD.AI the second-largest CDP project on DeFi Llama. YZi Labs' reach has since extended into treasury management. In July, it backed the creation of the BNB Treasury Company by 10x Capital. The US-based entity focuses exclusively on BNB chain investments and is targeting a listing on a major American exchange to give institutional investors direct exposure to BNB, Binance's $92 billion native asset. Momentum continued in August when China Renaissance CR, a Hong Kong-listed financial group, partnered with YZi Labs to acquire $100 million worth of BNB. CR will act as a champion for broader institutional adoption, becoming the first HK-listed firm to hold BNB as a proprietary asset. Yesterday, a new milestone followed. B-Strategy, a digital asset investment firm led by former Bitmain executives, launched a $1 billion BNB-focused treasury vehicle, with backing from YZi Labs. The company, which aims to model itself as the Berkshire Hathaway of the BNB ecosystem, plans a U.S. listing while reinvesting in core BNB projects and community initiatives. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. City executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025 XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Massive MasterCard deal goes live. Rally to $10 begins now. 9 hours ago. By Simon Chandler. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports Sol mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 6 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 7 hours ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 9 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 16 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.